Yesterday. Raise your hand and let me know. Right. So what about rhyming? Like what rhymes with fat? Cat. Jaden. Say it again. Fat. Okay. Another one. Yeah. Flat. Awesome. Okay, so keep those in mind when we're learning these two poems, okay? So we're learning limerick. I know it looks like lime, but we're learning limerick and clarity, okay? So I'm going to read the example of the limerick poem first, and you guys tell me what you noticed, so keep in mind. All right, are you listening? There was an old man with a beard who said it is just as I feared. 2 owls and a hen, 4 larks and a wren have all built their nests in my beard. So what words rhyme? Angel.
Beard,
Beard.
and hen, and wren.
Beard,
And
beard.
and hen.
Yes.
Also and wren.
Yeah. We have hen, and then we have wren. So the first, the second, and the fifth line, those last words in that line rhyme, right? And then the third and the fourth rhyme, right? Do you notice anything else? Nope? Okay. So now I'm going to read you guys what limericks are, okay? A poem that consists of 5 lines. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 lines where the first and second and fifth lines rhyme. So we have beard, beard, beard. Has a rhythm of da-dum, 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 and they are usually funny. So that is a limerick poem. So did the elements that consist of a limerick make up this poem? Yes. Okay, so it's important that you realize what we learned in reading with the poetic rhythm. So it says, there was an old man with a beard who said, it is just as I feared. And then you go back to the fifth one, have all built their nests in my beard. So limerick poem consists of the first, the second, and the fifth lines rhyming, and then the third and the fourth rhyme, and then it has to follow that poetic rhythm. Da-dum, da-da-dum, da-da-dum. Are we okay?
Yes.
Any questions? All right. Now we're going to skip to clariview. So clariview poem consists of 4 lines. Does this poem have 4 lines? Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 lines. The first and the second lines rhyme. The third and the fourth lines rhyme. The first line names someone, and the second line rhymes with the person's name. This poem is usually funny. So who can read this poem out loud for me? Aaron, go ahead.
Our art teacher, Mr. Shaw, really knows how to draw. But it's awful painting.
Oh, you can't see that one.
Have caused many paintings.
Can you start over one more time?
Our art teacher, Mr. Shaw,
Yep.
really knows how to draw.
Mhm.
But his awful paintings have caused many paintings.
Do those 2 rhyme? Yes. We have shaw and draw, and we have paintings and faintings. So with clariview poems, you have 4 lines. The first and the second line rhyme, and the third and the fourth words of the last line rhyme. Does that make sense? All right. Any questions? Okay, so now what I'm going to have you guys do is you guys know the elements of a clariview poem and a limerick poem. So I'm going to split you guys into groups. And with those groups, you have to write either poem, an example of one, and we're going to share it out loud to the class. Does that make sense? Okay, I will walk around if you guys have any questions, but that is what we're going to do. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You guys are a group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You guys are a group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Remember your groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Did I not point to anyone? Kevin, you're going to join their group. Okay? All right. So when you get your sheet of poster paper, start.
We're gonna have enough.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Well, I'm pretty sure I should do two of them. So we're gonna have to put one limerick and one limerick. So put a limerick right here.
Football. Okay. Oh, I thought you were like, I don't
His name is Ricky. He's really stinky. He sticks out long. Wait, he likes to jog. Yeah.
Wait, I don't think the Chinese
It was supposed to be his name is Ricky. He's very sticky.
Right, his name is.
No. Right there.
Mr. John. Okay, Mr. John.
Mr. John has fishing rod.
Yeah, Mr. John had and then he called him fish. Mr. John had a fishing rod.
That's what he knows how to shoot. He knows how to shoot. No, but he likes to shoot.
I'll take a photo. Okay, what else would be right? Can you come up in his ear? And the cat and come in his leg. Yeah.
Claire and you? Alright, go ahead and read it. You got it.
The math teacher, Mr. Mara, had a dog named Mara. The dog ate a frog on the log while Mr. Mara was on his own.
Claire Hughes, do these have 4 lines? Does this poem have 4 lines? Yes. Does the first and the second line rhyme?
Yes.
Does the third and the fourth line rhyme?
Yes.
Is it a Claire Hughes poem?
Yes.
Beautiful. Good job. You got it.
That song was weird.
That's a ball.
Huh? Ball.
That's an egg.
Fall.
That man has crumbs on his beard. A grizzly came up and ate his beard. The man went home and couldn't hear. The man got home and his eyes were filled with tears.
I'm going to read it again. The fall was weird. That man has crumbs on his beard. A pigeon came up and ate his ear. The man went home and couldn't hear. The man got home and his eyes were filled with tears. All right. Limerick poem, do they have 4 or 5 lines? 5. Does this limerick poem have 5 lines?
Yes.
Does the first and second and fifth lines rhyme?
Yes.
Here, here, here. Beautiful. Does the third and the fourth line rhyme? Here and here.
Yes.
Okay, but one thing about this poem though is that remember with limerick poems you have to have the poetic rhythm of da-dum, da-da-dum, da-da-dum. So this one you have to have done all was your da-da-da. So that's the only thing you guys are missing is the first, the second, and the fifth one. But other than that, good job. So just remember that when we do independent work, okay? Good job. Go back to your seat. And yeah. Alrighty, return back to your seat. Good job, good job. Alright. So now what I need you guys to do is open your Chromebooks, log on to Canvas, and the individual assignment of today is to create your own limerick or clarity poem. So if you wanted to do a limerick poem and your group did clarity, now is your chance. If your group did limerick poems and you like limerick poems, stick with it. But I just need one or the other.